Nano One is disrupting the battery supply chain by providing more cost-effective, longer-lasting, and safe battery materials. And what's really interesting is that they are developing this technology right here in Canada. This means that Nano One is not only paving the way for a more sustainable future, but they're also solving some of our global manufacturing challenges. This is extremely important in helping us get closer to achieving Canada's goal of net zero emissions by 2050.
Nano One is a technology company developing process technology to improve the way cathode materials are made for lithium-ion batteries. That's the combining of lithium, nickel, magnesium, cobalt, and iron and phosphorus into something that stores energy in the battery. Our vision is to make those batteries materials in a way that reduces the cost, the environmental footprint, eliminates wastewater, waste materials, and provides a more secure supply chain for the evolving world of energy transition. There were 3 aha moments recently. The first one was that the world suddenly valued environment through the whole ESG movement 4 years ago. And that suddenly made Nano One technology that much more relevant. The second one was the innovation in lithium iron phosphate battery packs that made them as energy dense and have the same range capabilities as the NMC batteries, making 2 technologies viable to address Western driving needs. And the third aha moment is how difficult it is going to be to replicate China's dominance in the nickel midstream for NMC because of the energy intensity, the GHG intensity, the environmental intensity, and the capital intensity. And that paves the way for lithium iron phosphate, LFP, to become a dominant player in the North American market. The 3 main challenges that Nano One's one-pot technology address are energy and supply chain security, environmental stewardship, and cost. And we can't simply copy and paste the way it's done in Asia today because there's too much wastewater, there's too much byproduct being discharged into the oceans, and there's too much waste energy. We need to solve those problems if we're going to build it at scale. We have the advantage of starting really from scratch, from a green field, to create a supply chain that is not only cleaner and greener, but it's also cost competitive, to create a holistic and long-lasting net zero solution to the energy transition. Nano One is in a unique position to solve these problems because we have the technology that drives down costs, environmental footprint, eliminates wastewater, brings greater energy security to the supply chain. But we also have the only LFP manufacturing facility outside of Asia. And with that, we can actually prove the technology at scale, and we use that as a springboard to the expansion of that technology, the adoption of that technology, not only in Canada, but in North America, in Europe, all over the world. Our success and growth can be attributed to our people who culminated together are the most experienced LFP team outside of Asia. It's also our stakeholders, our partners, our investors, all very fundamental to our growth and success. I care deeply about the dedication from not only my employees, our investors, our stakeholders, the government people that we're working with. That means a great deal to me and to my team. And that's what drives me to success and unfortunately keeps me up at night sometimes.